This is Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and this is week 4 of trading PG&E on the Cash app. So I've been holding this challenge. I've started off with $50 trading PG&E, and today we're going to look at the results of go ahead and take a look at the screen. So this is February 16th, and we'll be taking a look at the stock now. I did recover a little bit from last week where I took a $5 hit. So this is where we're starting off at 55.93, and that's a 3% drop from last week. As you can see, I was doing pretty good last week. I went all the way up to 62. When you consider that this is a $50 investment, so that's well over 20% profit on a $50 investment. And why I'm doing this challenge is just to sharpen my trading skills, get more disciplined in terms of doing my due diligence and just following the news, following the trends, watching the stats of the stock with apps like Robinhood, which give me a little bit more data in terms of news, in terms of candlestick graphic instead of this line graphic. Now, if we look at the month of February so far, it's a nice steady uptrend I'm seeing there until we hit that peak, and then things went a little bit wonky after that peak, as you will see on this screen. So we were at 56, we were kind of stuck at 56, and on the 18th, I'm going to take a look at what it looked like on the 18th. It wasn't great. It was a big dip. We saw the stock coming down pretty heavy, and somehow I feel I should not have gone with a whole $55 into trading. As you can see in my Robinhood account, I have 55 shares of PG&E, and the graph is looking pretty strong, candle over candle, as you can see here. And I was very, very optimistic that it would really have a strong uptrend, but it did not have such a massive uptrend, as you will see now. It was a profitable week, but not as strong as I thought it would be. What I should have considered is that PG&E has already made amazing strides, as you will see when I hit the 1 month mark in trading. It's gained well over 20% in the last month as a stock. So maybe I should have been a bit more conservative in terms of how I look at how much more it could gain. Actually, it's gained well over 50%. So the week, I am making money. As you can see, it was 4% profit by the 18th. And still the stock is showing signs of life, is still going up, about to hit the $60 mark there. And it looks like on the 11th, that's when we began a downtrend, and I should have taken heed there just to be more cautious, more conservative, minimize my losses by taking smaller profits. But as we can see on the candle here, so this is the 19th, and at around 650, it's candle over candle, a green candle over green candle, showing strong signs of an uptrend there. So I held it, and going into the 19th, so we're still on the 19th, sorry about that. Going into the 20th, you'll see that that candle over candle did really pay off, as we are going into the 6.4% profit range. So we haven't yet caught up to that 20% profit we would have made if I had cashed out. But it looks like on the 21st, Friday the 21st, we did manage to hit that $60 mark. And this is the point I should have sold at, because 20% profit, pretty good, pretty decent. In my Robinhood account, not doing so great. This is just to give you a comparison. And so I kind of bought too late. I bought the hype over here. I saw that PG&E was doing good, but I got in too late. And this was when it was already over the 30% profit mark. And so the upward trend was weakening a little bit. But going back to Cash App, and this is still on the 19th at 7 about 7:15, as you can see on the red banner. That's my time. And at 8:04, I hit $61. So that was pretty good. Back into the 20% profit range. And sorry about that, just a bit of a technical glitch there. There we go. So overly over the since I started this challenge, this would signify that's $11 profit out of a $50 investment.